Sales managers, are you drowning in spreadsheets while high priority leads slip through the cracks? The sales pipeline pack slashes through chaos with AI powered lead scoring that ranks prospects using behavioral scoring models, real time pipeline dashboards with automated stage progression tracking, machine learning forecasts that predict revenue within 3% margin of error, and CRM automation templates that cut data entry by 70%. Say goodbye to "that deal was in my blind spot" Mondays. Built for sales ops leaders, revenue operations analysts, and business development directors ready to stop guessing and start crushing targets. Here's what's inside the sales pipeline pack. AI lead scoring with scikit-learn integration for dynamic prospect prioritization. Real-time health dashboard with Grafana visualizations tracking velocity metrics. Predictive forecasting engine using profit algorithms for deal closure probability. CRM workflow templates automating lead routing in Salesforce and HubSpot. Data normalization pipelines with pandas for cleaning messy contact databases. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Transform pipeline chaos into mathematical precision. Installing the sales pipeline pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add sales pipeline pack. That's it. Instantly downloads 12 workflow modules, 40 plus code templates, and 7 pre-built dashboards. Your next Claude code session auto-loads the pack. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent CRM optimization, understands deal velocity metrics, and writes Python scripts for lead scoring. Warning: may cause sudden revenue growth and confuse competitors. Ready to stop managing pipelines and start mastering them?